This is Sam and Serena Sam YouTube channel for accountancy, especially for 12th standard. Today we are going to discuss about the 6th problem to 9th problem. I will give you answer. Everything keep in mind. So all the assets will be shown on the asset side. In the statement of affairs area, first of all, 3 steps are to be involved at the time of statement of profit or loss. First step, opening capital. Then statement of affairs as on 1st April or 1st January will be given to find out the opening capital. And then statement of affairs as on 31st March or 31st 12 to find out the closing capital. Next one is statement of profit or loss. So already given the format. Then only 5 items will be shown on the liability side. First one is sundry creditors. Second one is bank overdraft or bank bracketla CR, because bank CR means bank will be shown on the credit side. That also called as a bank overdraft. ஸோ பேங்க் சிஆர்னு கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, அதை வந்து டிஆர்லாம் நீங்கள் எழுதணும். அது 9th சம்மில் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? அடுத்து பேங்க் லோன். பேங்க் லோன், சண்டே கிரெடிட்டார்ஸ், பேங்க் ஓடி ஆர் பேங்க் சிஆர், and then bills payable, and then outstanding expenses. In these 5 items will be shown on the liability side and others will be shown on the asset side. Okay. Then go to problem. In this area, only bills payable and sundry creditors will be shown in the 6th problem. Okay, wow. Okay. Then 31st March 2009 will be given. So to find out the closing capital, first of all, only 5 items I will remind you again: sundry creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft or bank CR, and then bills payable, and then outstanding expenses, sundry creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, then bank loan. So bank loan, only 5 items will be shown on the liability side. Then this problem, only 6th problem, page number 32, sum number 6. Sundry creditors will be given rupees 6 lakh and bills payable will be given 1,20,000. Then add 2 items in liability side, 7,20,000. Then all the assets will be shown on the asset side, others will be shown on the asset side. Then cash in hand, cash at bank, furniture, stock, everything will be shown on the asset side. Add all the items on asset side, because liability side only get the capital, closing capital. So add all the asset side, that is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs minus 720, answer is closing capital 2,80,000, because closing capital means 31st March 2019 will be given, so it's called as a closing capital. Then 1,4 will be given, means that's called slow opening capital. Okay. Then page number 33, sum number 7. So actually in this problem, opening capital will be given on 1st April 2018. Subha introduced capital will be given. So Subha introduced capital means it's called as a opening capital will be given 1,20,000. The additional information given on 31st March 2019. Okay. So to be find out the closing capital only. Once again I will tell you, liability side only 5 items will be shown on the liability side. First one, bills payable, sundry creditors, bank loan, bank overdraft or bank CR, bank bracketla CR will be given, and then outstanding expenses will be given on the will be shown on the liability side, and all other must be shown on the asset side. Then in this area, So bank overdraft and then bank overdraft, sundry creditors, bills payable will be given. So add all the liability side. Liability side, its answer is 3,20,000. Add all the assets. Asset side totally 8 lakhs. So 8 lakhs minus 320, 380. Then answer is 4,20,000. Okay, wow. Totally 380, 380 in the liability side, and then asset side totally 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs minus 380. Then answer is 4,20,000. Then that is called as a closing capital because opening capital already is given in the starting point. Then have to find out the profit or loss. So already given the format to opening capital, to additional capital, to profit, and then credit side by closing capital, by drawings, by loss. Then opening capital will be given 1,20,000. Then closing capitals already got it 4,20,000. Then drawings rupees 30,000 will be given. With due means the drawings 30,000, and this is introduced for the capital of rupees 40,000 to additional capital 40,000. Then only loss not is given, so just hyphen, just nil. Okay, alright, just put the nil for loss area, and then 4,20,000 plus 30,000, 4,50,000, 450 minus 1,60,000. Then debit side area, so answer is 2,90,000. That is called as a profit. Do you understand, students? Any doubts? And if any doubts, if you want any doubts, just simply send to the comments. Okay, then and then page number 33, sum number 9, sorry, sum number 8, right? In this eighth problem, so bank loan and sundry creditors and then bills payable will be given on the liability side. The same first area 1/1/2018, all the 1/1/2018 to find out the opening capital. All the 31st December 2018 will be find out the closing capital. So in this area only find out the opening capital, in this area find out the closing capital. So opening capital means all the liabilities will be shown on the liability side. Only three items: sundry creditors, bills payable, bank loan. And then credit side, all the assets will be shown on the asset side. Then answer is 2,50,000. That is called as a opening capital. Right clear? And then all the 31st December 2018 is to be find out the closing capital. So only the same bank loan, sundry creditors and bills payable will be shown on the liability side. All other assets must be shown on the asset side. Then answer is closing capital, that is 3 lakhs. Okay, just you try it and check the answer. Okay, wow. Okay, then have to find out the statement of profit or loss. Already given the format. Once again I will remind: to opening capital, to additional capital, to profit on the debit side, by closing capital, by drawings, by loss on the credit side. Okay, to opening capital answer is have to get it 2,50,000, and then drawings, and then additional capital will be additional capital rupees 50,000 will be given. Okay, and then profit is not given, have to find it profit or loss. And then closing capital is 3 lakhs. Okay, closing capital 3 lakhs, opening capital 2,50,000, closing capital 3 lakh, answer have to got it. And then drawings 2,500 per month, answer is 2,500 per month. 2,500 per month means actually per year having 12 months, so it is multiplied by 12. 2,500 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அந்த 2,500 வந்து இன்ட்டு 12ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். ட்ராயிங்ஸ் பக்கத்தில் ப்ராக்கெட்டில் 2,500 into 12, 30,000. ஓகே, ஸோ 3 lakh plus 30,000, 3 lakh 30,000. Okay, and then opening capital 2 lakh 50,000, and then additional capital is 50,000. So 3 lakh, and 3 lakh. Compare the both sides. Find out the more than amount from each column. Credit side only more than amount. Okay, 3 lakh 50, the 3 lakh 30,000. So 3 lakh 30,000 minus 3 lakh in the debit side. The answer is profit rupees 30,000. That's the correct answer, students. Just check the answer. Just get the answer is 30,000. That is called as a profit. Okay, do you understand? Any doubts? If you want any doubts, means simply tell the comments through the comments area, and then getting all the doubts. Okay, then last problem is 9. Okay, then in this area, I mean ninth problem, only cash at bank in the first column debit. Okay, debit means it will be shown on the credit side. Okay, wow. Then second column CR means will be shown on the debit side. Debit side means will be shown on the liability side. Okay, all the debit items will be shown on the asset side. All the credit item will be shown on the liability side. Already told you, no. Then liability side, only 5 items will be shown on the liability side. First one sundry creditors, second one bills payable, and third one is bank overdraft or bank CR, and then outstanding expenses, then bank loan. This is 5 items will be shown on the liability side. Then asset side, all the assets must be shown on the asset side. So in this area, sundry creditors only will be shown on the first column. Then actually the first column will be find out the opening capital. So answer is opening capital 1,93,000. That answer is 1,93,000. You must do it and get the answer properly. And then I have to find out the closing capital. Closing capital, at the time of preparing statement of closing capital, then depreciation will be given. Depreciation actually 10% will be given, means for example, depreciation at plant and machinery 80,000 will be given on the closing side. So 80,000 into 10 by 100, the 0 is cancelled. So answer is 8,000. It must be shown on the inner column because depreciation here. So 80,000 plant and machinery minus depreciation 8,000. So answer is 72,000. Okay, and then provision for bad and doubtful debts 1,500 is given. So credit side debtors value 51,500. 51,500 minus provision here. So 51,500 minus 1,500. Then answer is in the outer column. I will put to write the outer column 50,000. So add all the credits, all the asset side. Then answer is 1,57,000. Then closing capital is 1,57,000. Because add all the assets and deduct all the liabilities, then get it the answer. This is called as a closing capital because 31st will be given. That answer is closing capital 1,57,000. Then next one is have to find out the statement of profit or loss. First one is to write the format easily, to opening capital, to additional capital, to profit, and then credit side. In this item only debit side, and this credit side by closing capital, by drawings, by loss. By closing capital is rupees 1,57,000. Then drawings only for 60,000. Withdrawn means drawings, and then to opening capital is 1,93,000. To additional capital is 17,000. Okay, so totally 2,10,000 in debit side. Then credit side 2,17,000. Debit side 2,10,000. Credit side only more than amount. So carry forward both sides. 2,07,000 minus 2,10,000. The answer is 2 profit. Then loss not here. So just put the nil in loss area. Then answer is 7,000, that is called as a profit. Do you understand, students? Any doubts here? If you want any doubts means simply ask in the comment area, only for SMS. Afterwards I will give my number for any queries. First only have to comment area. That link must be sent to all other students for subscribe this channel only for plus 2 students, that is used for all the students to get the centum. Okay, do you understand? Thank you children, thank you students, thank you, bye, see you again, thank you.